This is a review of the CASEKOO Patented 360-degree spin magnet stand for your iPhone 15 Pro Max, and this is for that. You can also have it for your iPhone 14 Pro Max or 16 Pro Max, depending on which one you own. You could choose whichever iPhone you own, but yeah, this is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max for this one, and this is a military drop protection, so if it drops down, it's gonna withstand all of the, like, if it falls, it's gonna withstand that military drop protection. And it's a non-slip edge, and it's compatible for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. And without going further, we're gonna unbox this, show you guys what you get in this package, and from there we're gonna show you guys, like, put this onto the iPhone and see whether or not if this iPhone 15 Pro Max cover is worth it. Okay, so one of the few things I want to start off by saying is that before I open this package, just by the package itself, it looks extremely beautiful. You can see as I'm moving it, it has like those, changing, like it's changing the, pretty much, like you see the MagSafe charger, and then it changes like to the, like, it just looks cool. That's one thing I wanted to note in this video, that the box itself looks very high quality. So yeah, let's unbox and show you guys what you get in this package. Okay, so we got everything out of this package, and you can see here we get stickers that it comes with. So I love the fact it's a huge plus. It comes with these cool stickers. It comes stickers right over there, and it tells you the instructions on how you exactly install it. But it looks very simple and very easy to install. And you can see the the thing I love about this product is that the case cover looks really spectacular as well too. It looks very high quality. And now let's get to the main topic, is the iPhone 15 Pro Max case cover. And you can see here, like I mentioned to you guys, military drop protection. So if it falls down, it will protect your iPhone from getting damaged. That's what it pretty much states. But yeah, you can see here, one of the things I love about this iPhone 15 Pro Max case cover is the fact that it has this little 360 thing. So for example, if you're sitting on the table, you're wanting to watch a TV show or something like that on your phone, your iPhone, then you could press this button here, this thing, and then it's gonna lay it flat, and you could do that while watching. It's a pretty much a thing to set up on the table, and that way you don't have to drop your iPhone down. It's gonna lay it just like that. So you can either have it like this, you can either have it like that, or you can either have it like this, whichever preferred style you have it. So it comes with the MagSafe charger as well here too. So pretty much not just that, but also if you have to charge your iPhone 15 Pro Max, it comes with the circle thing that's built in, and use that. You just, if you own those iPhone 15 Pro Max, the MagSafe chargers, then you can use that to pretty much charge your iPhone 15 Pro Max as well too. This is the color black, and you could have other options as well too. It has that option, but I opted with black because I love the color black. And one of the main things I love about this, like you see here, that thing, when you press that, I'm going to be showing you guys, how exactly you pretty much you could like fold it up and make it into, different types of, design styles. So you can lay it on that, like I told you guys, like this or that. But yeah, I overall, just by looking at this iPhone 15 Pro Max case cover, it looks really amazing. The quality, it feels very nice, and it feels very heavy quality. So I could say that, if your iPhone, if it drops down, then this iPhone 15 Pro Max case cover, it's going to protect it from getting damaged, your iPhone. So it gives you like a heavy feeling. So it feels like a bulky feeling, and it had, a heavy grade style. But yeah, this right here is the iPhone 15 Pro Max case cover, and you can see here it looks really amazing. And I would, definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a iPhone 15 Pro Max case cover that's a military drop protection, and it states that, and you want to protect your iPhone from getting damaged, then this one by far is probably one of the best ones you could get, because of how it has like that bulk feeling. It feels very strong, and when you hold it, and it looks like it will protect your iPhone as well too, here too. And not just that, but the 360 thing. So I could press this button here too, and you could lay it just like this. So like, for example, like that, you can have it like this. You can either have it like that, like this right here, over here too, or you could have it like this. So whichever style you prefer. And this does go 360 degrees. So you can rotate it. So that's one of the huge pluses I love about this product, is that you can move it pretty much to however you want it, 360 degrees. So you could move it around however your liking is, however you want it preferred. So if you're wanting it to move it like this, like you want to watch a TV show laying flat, you could, have your iPhone 15 Pro Max standing just like that. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this iPhone 15 Pro Max case cover in black. If you're looking for a new replacement set for your iPhone, then this one right here is by far one of the best and high quality iPhone 15 Pro Max case covers that you could get.